Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if, of course, you installed the Patch Tuesday updates for security for June, Microsoft said it pushed the biggest updates for the boot certificates on Windows 10 and Windows 11 PCs. So that means that a big chunk of PCs that still did not have the update for the key exchange, it is probably getting it with that, and it probably will be okay and updated. We know that these certificates are expiring this month, so it, of course, comes in the form of key exchange updates. So basically, if you look here at other updates, you'll see that I had mine in February. Quite a while back. Secure Boot allowed key exchange key update, and some didn't have it yet. There was a lot of people that were telling me, "Oh, I don't have it yet." Once again, the way to verify if your boot certificates have been updated on your PC is to go to the Windows Security app. The Windows Security app will have a option in the different categories that is device security. And the device security will have a section called Secure Boot. Once again, if you don't see this, it means your PC, the Secure Boot on your PC is turned off. And even if it says turned on in the BIOS, it's not just one setting. Some PCs require several BIOS settings together to have the Secure Boot run correctly. If you have Secure Boot showing up, well, it should have a little green check mark. It should say Secure Boot is on and all required certificate updates have been applied. No further certificate changes are needed. This tells you that you are up to date. If you're not up to date, there are other messages that could show here. For example, on my Acer PC, it says that it cannot apply it through Windows Update. I have to apply it through a BIOS update. Go check the manufacturer website. Some people have mentioned that by going into the UEFI BIOS and simply erasing the keys that were there, they were able to actually get them through Windows Update after. So, this is something that is possible for some. But if you don't have your certificate updates, if you don't have Secure Boot enabled, the only thing that's going to happen when you get to July is that you won't be, up to date on the Secure Boot keys, which means there's kind of, maybe a small security flaw there, but it has to be done on your PC by someone. So, the problems that will arise from that are not that high, especially if you don't use apps that will, like BitLocker, that will encrypt and require all of that to be safe. So you're supposed to have it now, if according to Microsoft, so you can check it out. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.